Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Mains 2020 based on vector. Let the position vectors of point A and B be I plus j plus k and 2i plus j plus 3k respectively. So the position vector of OA is given to us I plus j plus k and OB is given 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. A point P divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio lambda ratio 1. So here A and B are 2 point and their point position vectors are given I, J, K, 2i plus j plus 3k, and a point P divides it in lambda ratio 1. Therefore OP, where O is origin, OP by using the internal section formula, P will be lambda 2 lambda plus 1 I cap plus lambda plus 1 j cap and 3 lambda plus 1 k cap upon lambda plus 1. So OP is 2 lambda plus 1 I cap lambda plus 1 j cap and 3 lambda plus 1 k cap upon lambda plus 1. Here it is given that O is the origin and OB dot OP. So first we find the dot product of OB dot OP. So this will be OB is 2i plus j plus 3k and OP is this dot 2 lambda plus 1 I cap lambda plus 1 j cap 3 lambda plus 1 k cap upon lambda plus 1. So taking their dot product we have 2 into 2 lambda plus 1 into I, so lambda plus 1, 3 into 3 lambda plus 1 over lambda plus 1. So solving this, 2 to the 4, 4 lambda plus lambda 5 lambda, 5 plus 9 14 lambda, 3 3 is 9. Here 2 1 3 3 3 6 over lambda plus 1. So dot product of OP and OP is 14 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1. Now cross product of OA into OP, OA into OP. So this is given by the determinant IJK and OA is what 1 1 1 and OP is 2 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1 and this is lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1. So opening this I, for I, this 3 lambda plus 1 minus lambda minus 1, so we got 2 lambda upon lambda plus 1 minus j. When j is taken, we have 3 lambda plus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 1. So this will be lambda, 3 lambda minus 2 lambda, lambda upon lambda plus 1 plus k into lambda plus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 1. So this is minus lambda over lambda plus 1 into k cap. So taking their mode OA into OP mode and its square. So this will be under root 4 lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square, lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square, lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square, mode of the vector, and whole square of this also. So we got 4 lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square, and this will be 4 up to 6 lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square. Now given condition is OV into OP, OV dot OP minus 3 cross product of OA into OP whole square is given to 6. Putting these value here, this is 14 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1 minus 3, this is 16 6 lambda square upon lambda plus 1 whole square is given to us 6. So solving this, 14 lambda plus 6 into lambda plus 1 minus 6 3 is 18 lambda square, and the denominator come in this side to 6 into lambda plus 1 whole square. Now solving this, here 14 lambda square plus 6 lambda plus 14 lambda plus 6 equal minus 18 lambda square, this is 18 lambda square equal to lambda square plus 1. So this is 6 lambda square plus 6 2 is 12 lambda. Now solving this, 14 lambda square minus 18 lambda square, so this is 4 lambda square negative, and 6 lambda plus 14 lambda, this is 20 lambda. 6 cancel here, so we got 6 lambda square plus 12 lambda. Here we also cancel lambda from both sides, so taking this towards 6 lambda square, this has become 10 lambda square, and 20 lambda this side, so 12 minus 20, this is 8 lambda equal to 0. Taking lambda common from this, 2 lambda common from this, so 5 lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. Here lambda equal to 0 and 5, this is lambda, 5 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore lambda equal to 4 upon 5, and 5 it is a 40. So lambda equal to 0.8 is the correct answer of this question. So 0.8 is the answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.